guys, today I want to share with you two hacks that will take your omena game to the next level. The first hack is to remove the omena smell from your food, and the second hack is to make it creamier and tastier. So let's get right into the video. So first things first, guys, I started off by chopping all my vegetables: akina onions, tomatoes, pili hoho, dania, ginger and garlic. I separated the coriander leaves from the stems because I use the stems right after the onions to enrich the flavor, and the leaves for garnish at the end. So the next step is to sort the omena, and this is very important because inakuanga chafu kabisa. Next, you add hot water kabisa to the omena. Alafu sasa guys, the hack to remove the omena smell is to squeeze in lemon juice from a full lemon. At this point, guys, you should allow the lemon to sit in the omena for about 10 minutes before rinsing off with cold water. I started the fire and fried the onions until almost golden brown before adding the garlic and ginger paste. So guys, at this stage I added the dania stems, and for this step you need to be sure that you're using the small dania stems and not the large or overgrown ones, because those ones tend to be bitter and will throw off the flavor profile. So if you use them, you're not going to get the flavor that you're looking for. So kama kawaida, at this point I added my tomatoes and allowed them to cook down. They're supposed to cook down completely so that you won't be having big chunks at the end while serving. Like so. So at this point I added my spices: akina roiko, turmeric, paprika and bay leaf. Hehe, mikosi nayo. So give the spices enough time to cook in the stew before adding the omena. guys, allow the omena to cook in the spices and the herbs ndio ipate hizo flavors vipoa. Na sasa our second and final hack is to add coconut cream. Yes, surprising, right? This will balance out the bitter taste of omena and make it more savory. So I finally added my pilipili hoho at the end because I like it on the crunchier side, and garnished with coriander, and that's the final outcome, guys. Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button, like, comment, share. Tell me down below what you think I should cook next. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video. Bye bye.